How to find hidden city flights on Skiplagged. If you want to find the hidden city flights on Skiplagged, it is rather quite simple. First, you open the Skiplagged application, and from the top of the search bar, simply search for your desired destination right here. When you search for your desired destination, Skiplagged's algorithm will automatically show you any relevant hidden city flight options. If a hidden city option is available, it will appear in the search results with the final leg of the journey crossed off and the layover city as the apparent destination. You can also filter your search results to show only the hidden options right there. And this way you should be able to find hidden city flights on Skiplagged. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.